Here's something most guys get backwards. They think attention wins women over. So they text constantly, reply instantly, always available, and she loses interest. But when you pull back, suddenly she's chasing. This isn't manipulation, it's psychology. Let's break down why ignoring women makes them chase you. First, it breaks the pattern. Most guys are predictable. They text good morning, check in throughout the day, always respond within seconds. And predictable is boring. When you suddenly become less available, her brain notices. Something changed, and that uncertainty creates curiosity. She starts wondering, why isn't he texting? Did I do something? Is he talking to someone else? That curiosity keeps you in her mind, and what's in her mind controls her emotions. Action step: don't text first tomorrow. Let her wonder. See how quickly she reaches out. Second, you become a challenge again. Women don't chase things they already have. If you're always there, always available, always chasing, there's no mystery, no challenge, no tension. But the moment you pull back, you become something she has to work for again. And humans value what they have to earn more than what's handed to them. This isn't a game, it's basic human psychology. We chase what moves away from us. Third, scarcity creates value. When something's abundant, it's worthless. When something's scarce, it's valuable. If you're texting her every hour, your attention means nothing. It's expected, it's cheap. But if your attention is rare, suddenly it's a reward, something she has to earn. And that shift changes everything. She stops taking you for granted. She starts investing. She starts chasing. Action step: for the next 3 days, cut your texting in half. Respond less. Be busier. Watch how her effort increases. Fourth, it triggers loss aversion. People hate losing more than they enjoy gaining. When you're always available, she's not afraid of losing you. You're just there. But when you pull back, her brain panics. Wait, am I losing him? That fear is more powerful than attraction. It makes her act, reach out, chase harder. This is why women often text ex-boyfriends the moment they see him moving on. It's not love, it's loss aversion. We're halfway through. Most guys think giving attention builds attraction. But the truth? Removing it does. Fifth, you stop being her emotional crutch. When you're always available, you become her therapist, her distraction, her ego boost. She texts when she's bored. You entertain her. She vents. You listen. She needs validation. You provide it. And none of that creates attraction. It creates comfort. But when you stop being available for that, she has to work for your time. And suddenly your presence means something. Action step: next time she texts just to vent or kill time, don't respond immediately. Be unavailable. Let her feel the difference. Sixth, it forces her to prove herself. When you're chasing, she doesn't have to do anything. You're already sold. But when you pull back, the dynamic flips. Now she has to prove why you should pay attention to her. And the moment she starts trying to impress you, you've won. Because whoever cares less controls the frame. And when she's chasing, you're in control. Seventh, it signals you have options. When you're always available, it tells her you have nothing else going on. No life, no mission, no other women interested. But when you're busy, when you're unavailable, when you don't respond for hours, it signals something different. You have options. You have a life. You're not sitting around waiting for her text. And that's attractive, because women don't want men no one else wants. They want men other women are competing for. Action step: build a life that genuinely keeps you busy. Gym, goals, hobbies, friends, let her compete for space in it. Here's what this really means. Ignoring isn't about playing games. It's about valuing your time. Most guys give their attention away freely. And because it's free, it's worthless. But when your attention becomes something rare, something earned, everything shifts. She starts chasing, texting first, making effort, seeking validation. Not because you manipulated her, but because you finally acted like your time mattered. And here's the key. This only works if you're genuinely busy, genuinely focused on something bigger than her. If you're sitting at home ignoring her on purpose, she'll sense it, and it'll backfire. But if you're actually building something, improving yourself, living with purpose, the distance becomes natural. Real, attractive. Pick one thing from this video. Just one. Stop texting first. Cut your availability in half. Build a life worth protecting. Do it for 7 days. Then come back and tell me what shifted. Drop a comment. Let me know what you're changing first. And if this opened your eyes, hit subscribe. Let's keep building together.